Let's make some carnivore appetizers, y'all. You are going to start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Then you are going to want to line your baking sheet with some parchment paper so you have easy cleanup, because Lord knows we got enough dishes to do as it is anyway, so we just need to make things as easy as possible. From there, you are going to set yourself up for success and get yourself a little bowl and dump some toothpicks in there, because you do not want to be putting your raw, juicy chicken fingers in a clean box of toothpicks. You're going to get your bacon sliced in half and your chicken cut into 1-inch chunks. And you're going to season your chicken up with your choice of seasonings. I used butt rub and I used sugar-free barbecue seasoning, but you can use what you want. If you want to keep it 100% carnivore, just use salt or some smoked salt. That would be great. Then you're going to roll those chicken chunks up into your half slices of bacon, and you're going to secure them with a toothpick. And then you are going to bake those little boogers in the oven at 400 degrees until your bacon is to your liking. I baked mine for about 40 minutes because I wanted it crispy but not too well done, and it was perfect for me, and my husband loved it, and that is what we had for lunch today. But it would be perfect to take to any kind of potluck or a family function, or just for, Super Bowl Sunday, which is coming up. All right, y'all, that's it for me today. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and I will catch you again here next time. Bye.